Hi everyone, today our group is presenting our week 5 lab projects. Our team members are Haoyu, Yu, Yilin, Junzhe, Xu, and Chi. In this lab, we worked with US brewery data and tried to design visualizations that could help answer interesting questions about where the microbrew capital might be. We started by looking through the domain cards and then picked four main questions to focus on. First, how are breweries distributed across different states? Second, where are there the most breweries? Third, what is the best beer type by region? And finally, what's the correlation between beer type and beer score? These questions give us a clear direction for our design. From there, we created a consensus sketch that combined a few different views. We used a map with circles to show where breweries are most concentrated so you can quickly spot the big states. We added a pie chart to compare how much each state contributes to the total number of breweries. And we used a box plot to dig into beer types light, medium, and heavy, and compare how their scores differ. Our idea was to give readers both a big picture geographic view and a closer look at beer quality. Then we looked at a professional solution and they did several things really well. Their story flowed smoothly, first maps, then scatter plots, and then time trains. Their charts were clean and easy to read. For example, circle sizes on the map made rankings obvious, and the scatter plot showed the trade-off between quality and quantity. They also added short annotations like Ver Vermontos loved the hopes, which made the data feel more engaging and memorable. They also covered a lot of the key domain tasks. They showed the top cities with the most breweries on the map. They used a scatter plot to show how beer quality and quantity are related. They plotted a timeline to show when new breweries were created. And finally, they compared states with per capita more multiples, which made the analyze fairer across big and small states. There are a few ideas from their design that we really like and would adopt. One is combining quality and quantity in the same charts, which makes comparisons more meaningful. Another is using per capita matrix, so larger states won't always dominate. We also liked their annotations, which made the story clearer for readers who are not beer experts, and finally, mixing rankings with visuals so people can see both the overall pattern and the exact numbers adds a lot of value. When we compare our solution with theirs, there are some similarities and differences. Both of us used maps, but ours shows brewery counts by states, while theirs focused more on cities. We highlighted the states with the largest totals, while they looked at hops at the city level. We dug into beer type versus score using a box plot, while they emphasized quality versus quantity across cities. And one thing they did better was using per capita adjustments, which is something we could add to improve our design. Looking forward, we think our solution could be more exploratory, for example, letting readers filter by states or beer type and linking the map with the book's plot so one chart updates when you click another. Another idea is to combine our beer type analyze with their quality versus quantity scatter plots. That way, we could show not just which types score well, but also how popular they are in terms of quantity. Well, this is all my video and thanks for listening.